Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a power hour. So if you don't know what a power hour is, basically you set a timer for an hour on your phone or wherever you're setting a timer, and you clean as much as you can in an hour. So I have a bit of a list. Hopefully I can get to it all, or I might get to it all and do even more. So I definitely need to do some dishes, put away some laundry. There's a load of laundry in the dryer that I need to put away. What else? I need to vacuum my living room. Oh, I have a IKEA chair that I need to put together. It's just like a white IKEA desk chair. And you guys will see why my closet is ripped apart now, because it's kind of getting turned into an office. So I need to build that chair because it's a smaller chair than the one that's in there now. Yeah, and then we'll see what else I can get to. So if you guys like power hours, keep on watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Alright, so Colton woke up from his nap, so we're gonna have to do it with him kind of running around. So we're gonna put the clothes away next and we'll see how much more we can get done with him running around everywhere. Right, bud? Yeah! I'm having the worst luck today, so my battery died and then I ran out of room on my card. So I'm just having a terrible luck. So I'm finally getting back to doing this. This is such a failed power hour. It's taking me way longer than an hour. So now it's just this deep clean. Back to it.